I'm gonna weigh him right now. He's about at least four or maybe close to 5 pounds. The biggest bass I've ever caught out of black mud in my whole life fishing here. And I've been fishing here for fucking 10 years. Look at this thing. This thing's hurting my arm. I'm gonna weigh him right now. Hold it right now. I didn't care. I was getting dirty for this bad boy. Oh God, please. Oh shit, I wanna mount him. Oh my God. Easy, buddy. I'll put you back in the water. Hold on. He's about 4 pounds and 48 ounces. Holy shit. He's almost 5 fucking pounds. Yes, motherfucker. I need a picture of him. Oh God, my phone. I don't care. Look at that. Look at that. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. 4.48 ounces. Oh my God. I want to mount him so fucking bad.